Oh my.
Reason.
What?
You in our chat.
Huh?
What are you talking about?
He took Crash. He took Crash.
Yo, you can talk to who took my prophet and Seraph.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm always sorry.
I'm Mexican. Fucking Gabe is white. Fucking Goyard is fucking.
Wait, it's this racist shit, right?
I was just gonna say he's Asian.
Nah, you.
He's so cute though.
Oh, dude, you guys suck. So Biddy carrying me, right?
Look, I'm using a fucking pistol now, okay? So like,
So
if
am
I
I.
carry. No!
Are you fucking kidding? Yo, this
You're
map.
not using a pistol.
I'm not gonna get that. I'll use a pistol, I got you. This gun sucks.
Ooh.
Oh my god, I fucking waste that shit, dude.
An ammo pack right here.
Oh, where? Aha, need it. Need that.
Yo, this gun sucks. Like, like.
Oh, this man's got a whole rocket launcher, bro. Yeah.
Man, you just really want to win this game.
Yeah, I'm fucking 9-man. God damn.
I got you.
I love you.
No, wait, I don't got you.
I got the other one. I got the other.
Back up. Get him. He's trash.
Nah, we all pulling up.
Wait, there's more. Wait.
Yeah, I got one. Okay, I got 3.
Nice. Okay. Teamwork.
I got hit markers on all those guys. Somebody finished them.
Yeah.
I got rocket launcher, dude.
Wait,
Ooh.
I don't trust Biddy for help anymore. Can you kill him?
Like, I can't use this fucking gun, okay?
Jeez. No, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Yep, that's all you.
I got you. Run. Oh, okay. No, there's 2.
Oh, nice shot. God damn.
With the heady.
Where are they? I'm so scared. I can't hit my shots.
Shoot your shot, dude. You got it.
I just died. See what I'm saying, Biddy? Another nuke gone.
I'm on a merciless. No, don't steal him!
Was your kill? I'm so sorry.
Oh!
Playing safeguard? Yeah, I'm playing safeguard. Yeah,
Oh, fuck no, dude. There's a fucking dog. I don't fuck with these fucking dogs.
Yo, man, didn't it come out like a 2020, bro?
Oh my god, I ran out of ammo. What the fuck?
There's an ammo pack right here. Amber, it's back here, it's back here.
I have no gun, remember? I ran out of ammo.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to get to the ammo pack.
It's right here, it's right here, it's right here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait. Nice. Oh shit, okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I got aimbot. Are you
Imagine getting rocket launcher.
Luke Skywalker, bro. I need 6 more kills. Wait, I need 6 more. 5.
Yeah, you got it, bro.
got
You got
3
3.
minutes,
Yeah, you got 3 minutes. You
Oh,
get
oh,
15
shit.
more.
Freaking out right now. My normal sensitivity, bro.
200.
I knocked so many down there.
I'm on my dolly, I'm on my
God, is that fucking site and mod really that good?
emoji.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
I need to fucking unlock that shit.
Yeah, that operator mod goes fucking crazy
Yeah.
with that fucking compact
that.
scope.
Wait, hold on. No! What? I suck. There's a Weaver. What up, Angel? Adam, Rita, whatever. Nameless.
I'm not back! Oh, okay, well, I died.
Oh my god. Go off, bro. That's all you.
What the fuck is happening right now? Yo, they just tried to gravity spike each other. What the fuck? I don't have an ammo pack yet.
And anything that money is just
Yo, watch it right.
Got him right.
Yeah, I'm uploading this shit tonight. Actually, tomorrow.
Fuck.
Yeah, there should be another round of this though, because
Yeah, there's another round. Yeah.
There is.
Yep. Oh my god, dude, what is going on? Hello, excuse me?
120?
I got this.
Holy
God.
fucking shit.
Nah, I'm trash. I'm just having a good day.
That's crazy.
Yo,
Must have a lot of
yo,
good days.
Amber, a squirrel finds a nut every now and then, you know.
What?
Oh my god. A squirrel finds his nut every now and then. That means...
I didn't fucking hear you. I don't need your goddamn
Damn,
attitude.
yo.
Like, fuck. You hear that shit, Williard?
Nah, I'm on Regent side.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Oh.
forgot. You fucking hate me. I'm fucking blocking you again.
Chill, man. Chill. I'm sorry.
Nah, you're getting blocked.
I get messed mine. Yo! Stop escorting the robot. Stop escorting the robot. Stop. Don't escort it. Just go for kills. We're gonna get the win. Don't worry.
I guess I the only one that came. I came and I'm over here playing. What's wrong?
No.
Appreciate you, AK. I love you, man. Love you. A lot. Yo, AK, dude, look what I'm going right now. Wait. Look what I'm going right now. Oh god, this is amazing. Got a nuke the last game, but I could have had a double nuke this game. But, my dumb ass pushes everything. Thinking I'm a god, but you know.
God damn. Yo, I hear that annihilator going off, but I don't see it in the feed.
I know. I'm trash.
200?
Alright. No.
Oh, that was my fault, dude. I was killing him by it, and I didn't even realize I was escorting him. Sorry.
God damn it, Gabe.
I'll leave
Yeah,
after
you
this.
told the randomness on
Bro, I'll leave after this, alright? Y'all got it, dude.